Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. As you can see on the menu today, we're going to make a very easy vegetable fried rice. We've got some garlic, ginger. You can use whatever vegetables you like. We've got a little bit of soy in there, a little bit of sesame oil, give it a lovely nutty flavor. It is super easy. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients. Now, just to let you know, all of the ingredients and amounts will be in the text below. So we've got some basmati rice here, cooked. Always use cold rice for making fried rice. Warm or hot rice does not work out so well. I've got some green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them there. Carrots, celery, bell peppers, onions, zucchini, and I've got here some like mange choux or green beans. Ginger, garlic, light soy sauce I'm using, and here we've got some sesame seed oil, nice nutty flavor. Now, just to let you know that you need for this really rice, onions, garlic and ginger, and then the vegetables are entirely up to you, so you can multi-change those. Some broccoli in there, some mushrooms, whatever you want. We're going to start this off with a little bit of sunflower oil because we're going to use that as a flavor. We're not going to start it with the sesame oil. Bit of black pepper, that's about it. Let's go do it. So here we go. I've got a wok, or you're going to need some sort of pan or something like that. I've got some sunflower oil in there, or a neutral type of oil. Let's add our garlic and our ginger. Now I've cut my ginger, as you can see, in nice kind of thick sticks. I like it like that because I like to kind of get a bite on it. Just for a few seconds. Just keep this moving around. This is really going to infuse the oil and start it off. Give it a beautiful flavour. Okay, now we can add our onion. I'm using red onion, as you can see, sliced. And we're now going to add our hardest vegetable. So in my case, it's celery and carrots. Okay, we're going to go for about 2 minutes. Keep it moving. So 2 minutes in. We're now going to add some other vegetables, those green beans or mange choux or flat beans, the bell peppers, the zucchini, and the green onions. Now, I've cut these green onions quite big, and smaller if you want. I like them cooked nicely in there. Let's now add some black pepper, a small amount of salt because we're going to be adding the soy. I'm going to go again, stir frying these vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes now. Keep it moving all the time. Fantastic. You could be putting some fresh chili in this if you wanted, if you like a little spice. I'm staying away from that today. What I am going to do now is add that little bit of soy. Keep that moving around. Then I'm going to be adding our rice, cold rice. I'm using a basmati rice here. And then stir fry this rice for 4 to 5 minutes. We actually have to fry the rice. Keep it moving. See you in 4 or 5. Okay, so as you can see, we've been going for some time now. Off goes the heat. That little bit of sesame oil, lovely kind of nutty flavour in there. I love that in there just at the end. Give that a final mix. If you wanted, like I say, some fresh chili, or even some chili flakes, or some cilantro or coriander, but that's it. You've got a really easy, wonderful vegetable fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell icon just below for notifications if you like, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.